Hey guys, a very warm welcome in my channel, The Learning Destinations, and I'm your host Avinash. This is the episode 02 of my ongoing series HashiCorp Board. So whom haven't yet watched the episode 01, I request you to please visit my YouTube channel and see the episode 01 where I have already covered the introductions about the HashiCorp in depth. This is going to be a complete practical sessions. The theoretical sessions I have already covered in episode 01, so you can watch it. Now let's focus on the agenda of today's topic. So introductions that I have already covered in episode 01, so you can go on my YouTube channel and you can visit it. Now today's sessions we are going to see that how we can install the Vault, and after that we will start the Vault server, and then after that we will create our first secret, and inside the secret we will see that how we can write the secret, how we can list the secret, and finally how we can delete the secret. So now I am going to cover the first part of this sessions, that is called install Vault. I'm going to install the Vault. So I have already brand new EC2 instance ready, which is the Ubuntu based, and now I am going to install the Vault. So the command is already ready with me. These all commands I am going to mention in the description sections, so you can take it from there. So basically I have added the repository, so I can download it Vault from the particular repository. Okay, now let's update and install the Vault. Repository has been already added. In order to verify the installations, you can run the command vault-version. So you can see that we have successfully installed the Vault v1.9.0. So since we have already successfully installed the Vault, now time to start the Vault server. And as of now, we are going to start the Vault server inside in the dev environment. How we can start the Vault server in productions environment, I will cover it later. Probably I will cover it in my next session. But as of now, we are going to start the Vault server inside the dev environment. And the command is to start the Vault server inside the dev environment is Vault server-dev. The moment when you run, you need to execute this command, and for that you need to take the additional terminal. You can see that the Vault server has been successfully installed, successfully started. Now we need to verify whether the Vault server has been successfully started or not. In order to do that, we need to take the additional terminal of the same machine. Now you run this command export. Sorry, there is some problem. Let me copy once again. I missed that part. Okay, I see where is that. Okay. Now somewhere this is the unseal key. Somewhere we need to save it as of now. I will cover it later. As of now, I am not going to explain it, but I will explain it later on, and I am going to cover this topic in my next chapter. So as of now, just save it on your machine. So you can save it with the echo command and just give it the name unseal key, and I am copying this key. Now you can export this one as well as a root token key, and you can take the token key from here. This will also I explain later. Okay, now we need to verify that whether the Vault server has been successfully started or not. So the command is Vault status. So if everything will be good, you will be getting output something like this. And especially you need to check these two values. If you are getting some different number, then you just need to restart your Vault server. So this is the part of that, how we can start the Vault server. Now we are going to see that how we can create the secret and how we can list and delete it. Before I jump into the secret engine sessions, let me explain it that why we need the dev mode. So basically, these are the main useful component that for that we are using the dev mode. So the dev server is a built-in and pre-configured server useful for, as we know that mostly dev we use as a development, testing, and the explorations. Not very secure, and that is why that it is highly recommended not to use in the productions. Everything is stored in a memory. Vault is automatically unsealed. That you have seen that I have already stored the unseal key, and that I am going to explain it later. Probably I will be covering in my next episode. Then can optionally set the initial root token, and we have seen that already I have exported the root key. So time to create some secret and some hands-on with the secret. So now we are going to see that how we can create the secret. So this is the command. I'm going to explain you the command. In order to create the command, that Vault KV means key value based, and KV is the secret engine. So guys, don't worry if you don't know what is the secret engine. We will have the separate topic on that, and I'm going to cover the secret engine topic in my next episode, episode number 03, and I will be covering in depth about the secret engine. So don't worry, as of now, we will be covering it on our separate sessions. So as of now, the KV is key value based secret engine. Then we are putting as a secret. So we are using this secret engine, and we are calling it as the hello, the secret name, and the value we are giving, my name is called Avinash. So here we will get the value. Now in order to print the value, we can list it down. Rather than put, you can mention get. So we will get the value here, my name equal Avinash. So we have created the value, we have get the secret, we have created the secret, we have list down the secret. Now in order to delete the secret, you just need to put here delete. So it's successfully deleted. Now if you want to list down, it won't show because it has been already deleted. So we are not getting the value. Likewise, we were getting here, but in this command we are not getting that value. And so let's get back on the agenda and recap everything what we have done in last couple of minutes. So we have seen that how we can install the Vault. After that, we have seen that how we can start the Vault server in dev environment, and then finally we have created secret. Just for your informations, like the Vault server is by default enables the KV secret engine, that is called key value based secret engine. So don't get confused guys. As of now on the secret engine, I will be covering in episode 03, and it will be a complete separate topic on the secret engine, and you will have in-depth idea after watching that episode number 03. So just stay tuned with the learning destinations, and I will be covering in my next sessions. So under the secrets, we have seen that how we can write a secret, how we can list down the secret, and finally how we can delete the secret. So guys, as I mentioned that in my upcoming session, I am going to cover it two parts. One is the secret engine, where we will have the practical labs on different secret engines, and after that we will be covering the dynamic secrets. So all the queries regarding your secret engines will be cleared in my upcoming episode number 03. Yeah, so that's all for this guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and as well as like my videos and share this with your friends and the colleague. And stay tuned, and don't forget to stay tuned with the learning destinations, because the next episode will be really very interesting and we are going to cover the secret engine. So once again, thank you so much for watching it. You have a good day.